Noah had a problem. Every time his mom did the laundry, one sock from a pair always seemed to disappear.
Where did they go? He wondered.
Excited to solve this mystery, Noah set a trap. He put his favorite blue sock in the laundry and watched very closely, his eyes always on his blue sock. As the washing machine spun round and round, faster and faster, he saw something strange. Whoosh! His blue sock slipped behind the machine.
Noah peeked behind it and gasped. A secret sock hideout.
There were tons of missing socks. Red ones, striped ones, even his dad's giant green sock. Noah's baby sister, Lily, crawled over. She giggled and pulled out a tiny kitten.
No way, a sock thief. Noah laughed.
The kitten had made a cozy bed out of all the lost socks.
Noah's mum smiled. Looks like we found a new family member. They named the kitten Socks.
And from then on, Noah never lost another sock. Because socks always gave them back.